Hi everybody, I just wanted to stop in and give everybody a before for our tow vehicle. We had to decide between a Jeep Wrangler and a CRV or a Chevy Equinox. And as you can tell, we decided upon the CRV. We went with a 2014 CRV EXL just because this car's got to be a Swiss Army knife. It's replacing our pickup truck, it's replacing our other vehicles, and it's also got to be able to be a tow vehicle for the motorhome. It also helps that Judy's brother is a service tech for 30 years and knows these vehicles inside and out. We had to stick with a 2014 instead of going newer because of a transmission change and a motor change. So we think that we did a really good job at finding the perfect vehicle for us right now. Seeing how the car's an EXL, that means that it has the leather package. You can tell so that we have something that's a nicer vehicle for when we want to go out and about. Plus the car is bigger than what we had. We were trying to tow a Honda Civic on a tow dolly before this, and that we decided to go 4 down with this vehicle. We can go from the back and fold the seats forward in the back so that we can gain our room. Now to give you an idea about what we're going to be doing, we got our stuff from E-Trailer. We got a base plate for the vehicle. We have to remove the front body parts off of it, remove the bumper, and replace that with the base plate. Then we've got to run the electrical for the lights. We're going to run that all the way to the rear and wire that into the back of the tail lights. Then we're going to be putting on a trailer hitch in the rear so that we can put on a storage rack on the back, or put in whatever we need to have in the back for the bicycle racks or whatever. On top we're going to put in crossbars and kayak, so that we can have kayak racks on the top. So like I said, this is going to be a Swiss Army knife. So we're going to do some videos about, we're going to actually show you as we ourselves put the base plate and the trailer hitch on. Everybody have a good day.